Hello guys, this is Technical Side in here. Today I'm going to show you how to get live wallpapers on your desktop. All you need to do is some easy steps. First, go to the link in the description. It will open a page like this. Scroll all the way down and hit Installer. It will download the Lively Wallpaper app. After the download is completed, go to Download folder, then install Lively Wallpapers. Choose if you want to install it for yourself only, or all users on this computer. Follow the installer instructions. Choose any live wallpaper you want, and hit Set as Wallpaper, and wait a few seconds to apply. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And if you have any question, drop it in the comments section or email me.